things to happen to someone's nefesh when they donate blood, or it's drawn and put in a vial to do blood tests?
Oh, okay. That's from previous question. I remember I saw it. Right. So it's very interesting question. Right. It's very very interesting question. So we said that the part of our soul is in the blood. So nefesh is in the blood, and it has this part of the soul has a minimum amount of blood that it has to stick to. Right? If it's less than this amount of blood, has fasholon. So when a person loses too much blood, the person dies. That's it. Right? So the nefesh is there. So since it is a spiritual, so it's going to stay there. So is it good to donate blood? Yeah, that's what people. If you look at the Talmud, that's what people was doing constantly for a high blood pressure from this from that. So they. I would say it's good for blood to be like renewed from time to time, right? And some people today they don't want to donate blood for whatever reason. So and they have too much blood in their system, so they would use this the blood thinner. I don't remember some like generic stuff like over-the-counter stuff that they would take like pills and to make the blood thinner. But if you donate the blood, you would do the same. So there is no problem if it's a safe. They using like all of the like safe facility. They're not going to introduce like some needle from HIV person. Yeah, there is no problem. So no, nefesh stays the same inside of the in the body, no problem.